Are you ready to start video editing that look amazing and stand out from the crowd? If yes, then you are in the right place. Welcome to the video editing masterclass with Cyberlink PowerDirector. Of course, that will teach you how to edit videos from the very beginning to advance with the powerful, easy to use PowerDirector video editing software. I am Masud Sarkar Batista. I am a professional video editor working with video editing for past 4 years and still now, and I am the instructor of this course. I am a bestseller Udemy instructor, already published different type of video editing and design related course, and thousands of students put 5-star reviews. Now let's see what we cover in this course. At first, we give you the brief overview of Cyberlink PowerDirector software interface. Then we learn how to import media files and we talk more about the timeline. After that, we learn how to split and delete unwanted portion from the video. Add different type of transition effect in between 2 or more clips. Also, we learn how to add text titles in video. Add different type of PIP objects in your any video footage. Add different type of video effects. Also, we learn how to zoom in or out and crop any video clip. Add watermark or logo. Download different type of awesome templates from Director Zone without any cost. Reverse video, rotate or flip any video footage. Capture photos from video. Record computer screen with PowerDirector. In blending effects and the Max Designer section, we learn how to use blending effects. Add special fire effect by using blending modes. Also, we learn how to use Max Designer. How to edit vertical video, especially for mobile phone recorded video. In our color correction section, we learn how to do color correction in PowerDirector. Also, we see how to do color grade, adjusting video color in Cyberlink Color Director, and the pleasing effect. In our audio editing section, we learn how to add background music, remove bad audio noise, change any video voice from the video, fade in or fade out audio clip, record narration, convert any video to MP3. In our advanced video editing section, we learn how to speed up or slow down any video clip, stabilize shaky video footage, add blur effect to remove watermark or logo, add motion track and blur out moving face or objects, green screen video production in PowerDirector. Another cool feature in PowerDirector is we can able to edit our own 360-degree video footage. And in this section, we will learn how to import 360-degree video footage, add text in our 360-degree video, fix and enhance color correction and still presets, add different type of effects in 360-degree video, add PIP objects, and finally we learn how to produce and upload 360-degree video footage in online. There is 30 days money back guarantee with this course, and you also get a certificate of completion when you finish this one. So there is no risk to enroll this course right now. So what are you waiting for? Take this course now and start learning video editing with the powerful, easy to use Cyberlink PowerDirector. See you inside.